بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine. Today I am here to teach you a new topic, place value. Open book and open page number 12. Before starting a book work, I want to show you an activity on board. Assalamu alaikum Zulkifal.
Walaikum assalam.
Are you ready?
Yes, teacher, I am ready.
Do you remember about ones, tens and hundreds which you learned in class 2?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now show me one ones. Yes, very good. Two ones, three ones, four ones, five ones, six ones, seven ones, eight ones, nine ones and 10 ones. Zulkifal, tell me 10 ones make
110.
yes, very good. So make 110 from 10 ones. Yes, very good. Where is the place of tens? Yes, it is 1 tens. Then show me 2 tens. First show me, then keep in the bottle. 3 tens. Yes. Then 4 tens. 5 tens. 6 tens. 7 tens. 8 tens. 9 tens and 10 tens. Very good. Zulkifal, what left in ones?
0.
Okay, very good. What left?
0.
Yes, very good. And in tens, how many tens are now?
10 tens.
Very good. So 10 tens will be here in tens place or it will move somewhere.
It will in 100. It will move to 100 place.
Very good. Now do it. Make 100 from 10 tens. Yes. 10 tens make?
100.
Okay, show 100. Yes. Where is its place? Yes. And what left in tens place?
0.
Okay, very good. And tell me the place value of hundreds. How many hundreds are there?
There is 100 in 100 place.
So, you have a number?
100.
Very good. Excellent. Now student, have a look on book. Look at place value on page 12. In class 2, we have learnt place value of a numbers up to 30 digits. Now, we shall learn place value of a numbers up to 6 digits. Look at example 5. We can represent 238 using the place value chart. Look at this place value chart. There is 3-digit number 238. Look at ones place. Here, ones place has 8. Look and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The place value of 8 is ones, means to say there are just 8 ones. Now look to tens place. There are 3 tens. The place value of 3 is tens. 3 tens. How many tens are here? 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens. And 3 tens make 30. 3 tens make 30. Come to hundreds place. The place value of 2 is 100. 1 time 100 and 2 times hundreds. 2 times hundreds make 200. So the number is 2 hundreds, 3 tens and 8 ones. And it is written here in expanded form. Expanded form means a number in separated form, which is separated in their place values. Like 8 is separately written here as ones, 3 is written here as 30 separately, and 2 is written here as its place value 200. So this number is separated with 200 plus 30 plus 8. It is called expanded form. The digit 2 is 800 place. Look, the digit 2 is 800 place. The digit 3 is 8 tens place. And the digit 8 is 8 ones place. Now come to example number 6. Example 6. Count 10,000. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. To find the number, also write the number in the expanded form. Look at the numbers and its place values. 100 is separated with from thousands, and in numbers it will separate it with comma. So look here, ones, tens and hundreds. These 3 place values are written in hundreds, and look to thousands and 10,000s are written in thousands place. The number is in ones place 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to tens. There are 4 tens. 1 ten, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. 4 tens make 40. Come to hundreds place. There is just 100. And in hundreds place there is 146. But come to thousands and look here, how many thousands are here? There is just 1000. And in 10,000's place there are 2 times 10,000. 1 time 10,000 and 2 times 10,000. It means 20. 2 times 10,000 means 20,000. 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. So look at the solution. There are 2 10,000. How many 10,000s? 2 10,000s, 1,000, 100, 4 tens and 6 ones. This is 5 digit number. So it is written here in expanded form and in numbers. So look at the book. 20,000 to 10,000 mean 20,000 plus 1,000. 20,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 4 times 10 mean 40 plus 6. So the number will become 21,146. It is 5-digit number. 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit and 5-digit number. The number is 21,146. Now look at the digits on which place every digit is. The digit 6 is 8 ones place. The digit 4 is 8 tens place. The digit 1 is 8 hundreds place. The digit 1 is 8,000 place. The digit 2 is 8 10,000s place. Now look at the information. Remember, when we write a 6-digit number, we put a comma between 1,000 and 100. Same as written here. Look, 21,000 and this is hundreds. 146 is separated from 21,000 with this comma. Now look to example number 7. What does each digit stand for in the number 321681? Now look down to the place value chart. First look, it is 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this number there are 6 digits. Now we will learn their place values. Look students, look at ones. There is just 1 in ones place. So the digit 1 stands for just 1. There is no 0. It's a single number. Come to tens. Look at 8. The place value of 8 is 8 tens. 8 tens mean 8 times tens and it is stand for 80. Look at hundreds place. The place value of 6 is hundreds here. Now look here, the digit 6 stands for 600 because in 600 we have 3-digit number. Look at thousands. The place value of 1 is thousands here. So look at the digit 1 stands for 1000. In 1000 there are 4 digits. Look at 10,000 place. The place value of 2 is 10,000 here and the digit 2 stands for 20,000 and it is 5-digit number. After 20,000, the next number is 100,000. What? 100,000. So the digit 3 place value is 100,000. 300,000. 300,000 So the digit 3 stand for 300, then comma, then 3 zeros mean 1000. So it is 6-digit number and read as 300,000. So look here, 321,681. It is read as 321,681. Okay, students, practice and memorize this topic of 6-digit number, and in the next lecture we will do exercise which relates 6-digit numbers and expanded form, so you should be ready. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.